Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can send a message to Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, currently I'm on the Temu website, and I'll be using this to explain everything. I'm not sure what the process is like on the mobile phone, however, I do not think it is much different. Now, for the, first method that I'm going to show you guys, you can go ahead and go under support, and here you'll see the option to chat with Temu. Now this will open up a customer service a bot. I'm pretty sure that this is a bot by considering the speed at which they answer. So you can just type here and you will get some, help and default answers, which will be answered to you, which will then help you with whatever you need. But if I click, I would like to contact Temu support directly. If I type in that should give me some information on how you can contact. As you can see, the hotline service is currently experiencing abnormally high traffic. In order to assist quickly, you could briefly describe your issue here. However, that is pretty much the only way you can do this. Now, you can also go into the contact us page, where if you click here to contact us, you will just get the bot again. However, you can also write to them on the official Instagram, Facebook, X account, TikTok, YouTube. You can contact them, and Pinterest, I'm not sure if you can. However, you will see the address of your nearest Temu office, which you can then get in contact with if you find their phone number or any other contact information, such as the email of somebody within the organization. And that is pretty much it. But usually, if you just want to message Temu, the customer service bot does quite a fine job with helping you find whatever it is that you need or fix any problems. And that should be pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.